Oh, gee. Good morning. So good morning from the pool. It took us a long journey to be able to get in here, so it's really important that we enjoy this frigid water. This would have been really nice after yesterday, like really nice. But unfortunately, it's not overly hot today, but here we are. So, what can you do? Wow, this guy's hairless. Yikes. This place is very, very, very immense. Like, wow. Oh, hey, birds. Wow. Soak it in, bud. Just soak it in like we're at the pool. Soak it in. That sounded like it hurt. That was good. You know, every day I really believe that an important aspect of life is setting goals. So today, my personal goal at least is to make sure that I apply sunscreen so I don't get a nasty little farmer's tan again. So yeah, we'll see if I can reach my goal today. Is there like going to be any left for me? You have a lot more surface area to cover than I do.
It was not like sunscreen.
So as some of you may know, we're not exactly fluent in Spanish. Ben, could you tell people what we just rubbed all over ourselves?
Nathan's an idiot. And he picked up conditioner at the grocery store.
And
he thought it said 60 SPF, but it actually said...
What's a nutrition factor? Like, what are you saying? I don't know.
But it's all over my body.
How come I realized instantly, though, and you continued to apply it?
Did you see me go, this seems like really weird sunscreen?
Yeah, but it didn't stop you to investigate, whereas I did, so, I mean...
I just trusted you.
That's a mistake. Just pack it up now. You know, one thing I never really realized how loud this place actually is.
Oh god.
Like, even outside of all the horns, that would give me sleep loss because I don't like being honked at, you know. But it's a loud city. Even last night it was pretty loud.
Yeah, very loud.
But okay, so it's 10:40. Got to be out of here by 11, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store, pick up some real sunscreen, and then go meet Carlos at the bus stop and be on our way to Huacachina.
Good.
You're good?
I'm good.
You're Gucci ni Prada? Ni Gucci ni Prada?
Ni Gucci ni Prada.
Oh, okay. Oh, jeez.
Off we go.
It's a real close-up of your face. Let's go. Cheers. Cheers. Goal achieved. How's your toilet yogurt?
Great your trip with Jesus.
Jesus was great.
Let's give him a 5-star.
He had air conditioning. That was key. I don't know what these are. Nice. Way to indulge yourself in local culture there in Nature Valley, whereas I got these Quillentas con manjar blanco.
I just wanted some granola bars, bro.
She got these chocolate cone things, bro. Okay. Bueno. Carlos should be here in about 10 minutes. Ben just went to La Baño. And then we should be good to go to Huacachina. Oh, there he is. What do you got there? Is that a sunscreen or conditioner there, bud?
More conditioner.
Let's go. A nice conditioner base followed by a nice layer of crispy sunscreen equals a beautiful Ben.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Only compliment you're getting this trip. Hello, viewers. That's our bus. That's what we're taking to Huacachina. Nice water, bro. Sin gas, loser.
Que
Oh mon dieu, I have to pee, Carlos. Please hurry up.
Yeah, oh my god, Carlos.
Nice spot though. I don't know. Wow, I'm really good at these
I don't
close-ups.
know.
Carlos just got that whole guy's life story, and now he's being a bro and getting him for the way back. Look at this guy.
Is that, you think that's...
Yeah, 100%. That's what he just did. What a place, though.
Weird thing to say.
Alright, we're gonna go eat. We're gonna go eat. You can't see it. You're not gonna be able to see it.
No, you're definitely
Like,
not.
that's the tree. That's the top of the tree.
Oh my.
And then way up there, that's the top of the sand dune. That's insane. Alright, what do we sign up for here? Can't even get your face in that frame there.
We're going up. Oh, here.
What are we getting?
We're getting
Chief? What are we
something
getting?
that Carlos recommended, which is
Lomos?
Lomo saltado al pisco.
A classic that you must try. Quick stir-fried dice of tenderloin. Flambe with pisco served with rice and french fries. Okay.
Look at this pyramid of...
Salut. 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 Yeah, I want you to cheer me with a fry.
Cheers with the fries.
Salut. How's out?
Yeah, I know.
How's out?
That's gonna look stupid.
Nice. Nice. How's that feel? Damn. Oh my gosh, out of the darkness. Let's go. Ice cream time. Creme glacé. How do you say ice cream in Spanish?
Helado.
Helado.
That little.
I'm in the pursuit of ice cream. Shoot, I'm shooting 4K 60. Yikes. I'll have to turn it. Yeah, I'll have to. La Laguna.
La Laguna.
Not that you can actually see it. That's kind of a pointless example, eh? Yeah, I'm really excited to see the dynamic range. Oh, mega. What do we get? What is it recommended?
I think you could try something like
Everything.
out of the ordinary. No?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm down with that.
There's people behind us. Let's see how you get everything.
No solid.
Where's your TP?
You should get a sandwich. A sandwich? Like a cone? Like strawberry. Okay.
Ooh, strawberry.
What are the
Fresh.
flavors
We got cappuccino.
Oh, cappuccino. A little coffee boost for mid. What one are you getting?
I think this one.
The sandwich.
Yeah, it's a sandwich.
The sandwich. The sandwich.
Yeah.
The sandwich.
Double stuffed Oreos up there.
Really? Double
You want to
stuff.
go to relleno?
I actually want them.
Yeah, we don't want. We're good.
No, we're kidding. Same black.
Normal.
Yeah, they're normal.
What are you saying? I want you
I
to.
feel like double stuff would just be like normal.
True.
Right?
I do. It's too honest. I'm too honest.
I do need to, but.
Oh. What you did is literally just equivalent to going to McDonald's, buying a Big Mac, and paying with 100. I feel like if we're doing ratios of this, rude.
Yeah, that's fine.
Rude.
Is that rude?
Creme glacé. I'm excited for this.
That's rude.
I like the cappuccino ice cream.
It's good.
What did you get? Strawberry. Fresh.
And nuts. With nuts.
Can't say anything about that. I'm trying to keep this kid friendly.
Sí, el horario populares para la puesta de sol.
Vamos a las 7, sale el autobús. Vamos una noche nomás.
Why is this amazing? We've been listening to Spanish for the last 3 days.
El sol.
I don't want to unplug and zoom in on your face, but it's a lot of work. Buenos nachos. Buenos. After ice cream, it's bedtime. So, sand duning tomorrow. Buenos nachos.